So by working closely with Google engineers to 3D print directly from the software for the first time, we were able to print it in separate parts and carefully, precisely join them together. With the help of some expert forgers, we managed to create a mold. And that meant we could cast it in bronze, one of the most traditional sculpting techniques of all. If you look closely at the sculpture now, you can see that those marks which were made in the virtual reality with flowing movements have been frozen in permanent and indestructible bronze. It occurred to me that by using bronze, one of the most ancient art materials of all, it would both underline this extraordinary blend of ancient and modern techniques, fusion of painting and sculpture, and make the point visually that this incredibly new futuristic medium, virtual reality, could actually be used to make solid objects on any scale and as permanent as bronze sculptures which have lasted more than 6,000 years.